Hi folks, today we are unboxing the Reolink Video Doorbell PoE, one of the most affordable but feature-packed PoE smart doorbells on the market. If you are considering upgrading your home security or pairing it with a Reolink NVR, this quick unboxing will show you exactly what comes in the box and what makes this model special. Here's the retail box. Reolink keeps it clean and simple. Reolink logo up top, specs down below. The PoE version uses a single Ethernet cable for both power and data, which does not have the occasional reliability issues of your home Wi-Fi and removes the need for separate wiring. But it does require you to have an Ethernet cable run to your doorbell. Inside the box, we see a Reolink folder that contains the doorbell's operational instructions, warm tips, and a template. And then we are greeted with the doorbell itself, sitting right on top along with the chime. First impressions. It's very solid, surprisingly premium, and heavier than budget video doorbells. The finish is matte black, fingerprint resistant, and the build feels durable enough for UK weather. This front module of Reolink Video Doorbell includes a 5 megapixel camera, night vision, two-way audio, and the signature Reolink illuminated ring button. Now, let's go through everything that's included in the box, starting of course with the Reolink Video Doorbell camera, the included chime, then there's a 45-degree angle mounting bracket for adjusting the viewing angle, the back plate, the operational guide, warm tips, installation template. This is super handy when drilling the holes to install the doorbell, and the accompanying Ethernet cable and some mounting screws. Let's take a closer look at the doorbell. Towards the front, we are able to see the main camera lens, the infrared LEDs for night vision, the included microphone, LED ring button with backlight, status LED right below the camera. Looking at it from the side, it is a very slim design. It doesn't look bulky on the door frame at all. Moving on to the back of the doorbell, we are able to clearly see the PoE Ethernet port, the reset pinhole, as well as the micro SD card slot. This doorbell, beyond just streaming to an NVR through an Ethernet cable, also supports local storage. Here are the most important features of the Reolink Doorbell PoE. It has a 5 megapixel ultra clarity lens, much clearer than the standard 1080p doorbells. It has PoE reliability. One cable provides power as well as network data transfer, and it's perfect for NVR setups. It supports local recording, so no subscription fees. Recordings go directly to your NVR or micro SD card. Indoor chime is included in the doorbell. It works without complicated pairing. It has an instant response. PoE provides very low latency. This doorbell also has plug-and-play compatibility with Reolink NVRs. Furthermore, it has smart motion detection. It's able to easily detect persons, provides zone control, and instant push notifications. The doorbell also comes with an IP rating. It's weatherproof and is suitable for UK rain as well as cold. Finally, it provides two-way audio, so you are able to talk to your visitors live. This makes it a very powerful choice for wired home setups, especially if you are building a Reolink security ecosystem. The doorbell installation is very straightforward. The backplate goes onto your wall or your door frame. Then the doorbell slides and locks in securely. The 45-degree angled mount is great if your door faces sideways. It lets you point the camera towards the doorway more accurately. To use this angled mount, you would need to install this angled mount onto your door frame or your wall first, followed by the backplate on top, and finally sliding in the doorbell. Because this is the PoE version, you simply connect the Ethernet cable to the doorbell and it powers up instantly. We'll cover the full installation and NVR setup in a separate video. Now, coming to the most important question, should you buy this doorbell? For around this price range, the Reolink Doorbell PoE is one of the best value wired doorbells available. You get subscription-free recording, NVR compatibility, and a stronger signal than Wi-Fi only models. If you're already building a Reolink camera setup, this is pretty much a no-brainer. That completes the unboxing of the Reolink Video Doorbell PoE. Make sure to subscribe if you'd like to see the full installation and how to connect it to a Reolink NVR. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.